Wow.
See? I told you. Look. Ricky, this is Mirror. Welcome to Aaron Cairo's DIY workshop. Today, we're working with a skateboard, some paintbrushes, some grip tape, and the world's first mirror paint. You know, you buy this thing on the internet and you think this tube right here is about this big. And then you know what it says? Guess how much it says this paints?
No way.
8 feet by 8 feet.
It won't paint that.
They are saying on the internet that this
64 square feet.
paints 8 feet by 8 feet, 64 square feet. This right here, up to that line, both sheets. It says that this will paint that.
I don't believe it.
I don't believe it either. Another question for all you DIY enthusiasts. Should I sand this?
Yes.
Yeah, you think?
Yeah, I think you do it.
So like a lot or?
Yeah, all the way down to the wood.
So the idea is that this is going to make this skateboard into a mirror. If this works, this will be the world's greatest skateboard ever invented. People in the comments are going to say, no, you had left some on there, it's not good enough. So, okay, which brush? You think? This one, Chris?
It's meant to be a mirror.
Mirror.
There's no way.
I know, that's what I'm saying.
Before we start this, you know what I really am hoping this
What?
recreates? Is
What?
that one episode in SpongeBob where they go to the future and everything is chrome.
Everything is chrome in the future.
He's right!
Dude, it looks pretty epic. This bottle was $9,000. Whoa.
It's shiny, but is it going to be a mirror?
Actually does seem
I feel
pretty
like you
good
need
though,
help.
no?
Do you need help, Aaron?
Yeah. Help me, Dad.
Oh, what the heck?
It actually looks pretty good, right?
I have about 60% of the time. Take deep breaths to that in closed areas.
You all right, Dan?
I'm joking because it's strong smell and y'all are close to it. I don't want it on me.
Don't get on your skin.
Yeah, you'll turn into a Silver Surfer. So it needs 24 hours to dry again?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
That actually looks fire.
It does, right?
Even
Dude, it looks good. Now that we talked all this smack, how do you guys think now?
I'm still confident.
Confident that what? You don't think you'll be able to see yourself?
I can definitely see a reflection
I
right
think
there.
if I took a photo through it, you won't be able to tell that it's me.
But after 24 hours,
If
24 hours later it just turns into just
If Simba looked through it, he wouldn't know if he was getting advice from Scar or Mufasa.
We're like maybe halfway through this bottle and the board is done.
Might as well just paint the trucks and the wheels too.
Should we?
Yeah.
This is burning my eyes.
It does look extremely cool.
It's burning
Yeah.
my eyes.
Look at the brush.
Whoa!
I gotta go wash this off.
Now do a normal one.
Definitely chrome. I wouldn't say it's mirror. Well, let's wait 24 hours and see what happens.
See you soon.
24 hours later.
We painted this board Chrome Edition, and we gave it a full 24 hours, which might be the most care we've ever taken on anything that we've ever done DIY. And it is a full mirror. Ricky, the hater, let's see if he thinks, can you see yourself?
I'm pretending that I'm Simba and I'm looking for Mufasa.
And?
I do not see
You
him.
gotta get a little closer. You see him now?
Look,
Look,
that.
there is a reflection. It's not quite, you know, when they say mirror paint, it's maybe not quite that.
I
That's
mean,
pretty good.
actually, if you like here, it is better.
See? I told you. Look.
The closer you are, like, the more it kind of reflects. That's interesting.
Here, look. Get in there. But put your face on it. Yeah, look. I can fully see. Oh, who's that? Oh, it's Ricky. JD, what do you think? Mirror? It's
Metal.
definitely reflected on your face.
Yeah, for sure.
What do you mean not mirror? How is that not a mirror? Leave it in the comments below if this is a full mirror, the most mirror skateboard you've ever skateboarded. Cut to the clip of the original mirror skateboard video. So this part's a straight up mirror. Lance can finally be in the video.
Yeah.
Can you see that? Warning, do not stand. Should I leave that on there as I'm standing on it?
Your face is awesome too.
All right, well, the wheels roll. You ready?
No.
Oh! Oh!
Got some pop still. Got some pop still. I'm gonna start doing my boards like this.
Yeah?
Honestly, I really dig it.
So you can do your beard in the mirror.
Oh.
Trying to do this without scratching the board, without scratching the
Why
mirror.
don't you just do it on your lap?
Because I think the paint's gonna come off of my pants and I can't.
Leave it in the comments right now if he's gonna cut this grip tape all in one cut.
Oh, is that the measure? You don't believe me? All those years working at Zoomies, you think I can't do one cut?
Yeah. One cut. You're going somewhere with that.
Okay, one cut challenge. Do you guys cut from the bottom or the top?
You only have 10 seconds.
No.
I cut the other way.
You do? From the top?
I cut towards down.
You're a monster.
He's coming around the corner. He's coming around the corner.
Oh.
He's coming around the corner.
Coming around the corner when he comes.
Wow.
That's how we do it.
I set a record in the shop like that 37 times in a row.
Really? Back when he was the gripper. Now he's the ripper.
This mirror skateboard literally just looks like that mouse skateboard on the wall.
Oh.
Take it back.
I have a feeling that if we bought the spray paint version of this, that it would be better.
You think?
Yeah.
Leave it in the comments below if we should do the spray paint version of the mirror.
Nigel, what's
A
the
glow
first
radar
thing you
board?
think of when you see yourself in the mirror? It's not a pun, it's a genuine question.
Why am I here?
What?
What about you, Aaron?
Why is Nigel here?
Gabe, look in the skateboard in the dark and say whatever you say 3 times or
Oh,
whatever.
say it, Dan. What is it?
Bloody
Remind me.
I don't remember, but last time
Bloody Mary.
Gabe did that, his ears started bleeding.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that is true.
Man, this Halloween, we gotta do some ghost stuff.
Glow, what's the first thing that you think of when you look at yourself in the mirror?
Depending on what day it is.
I think
All right, Gabe.
This
Tuesday.
morning.
This morning?
This morning.
I woke up feeling good. The Warriors are going to win. We're going to go to the next round, and it's just going to be a gravy weekend.
Dave, how much
I
money
think
to
this.
not look in the mirror or look at a photo of yourself for like 30 days?
30 days? I mean, it would be really hard to.
Would it?
Yeah.
I could live that easily.
I look at myself anytime I can
Dude,
see
30
myself
days
in the
would be
reflection.
And what do you do?
I would
look
just
at
have to
myself.
cover
Like
up
how?
I am handsome.
I don't know, I just see how fat I'm looking.
What do you think?
Me?
Yeah.
I think I gotta lose some weight.
No, come on. Be good to yourself.
I look in the mirror and I think, he got the drip drip. And I'm like, oh, that's me, my bad.
I bet it would paint really nice in the grip tape too, though. You know what I actually think this board is really good for? Double flips. The stark contrast between the black and the silver. You're gonna see it really well.
Now shake it. There's particles in it.
What?
Yeah. Nanoparticles smaller than blood cells.
Shut up.
You want me to read it?
Yeah. Nanoparticles in this paint. You're lying.
Why would I lie? I'm a man of science and momentum. It's a pigment you've never seen before. The paint makers put this potion through 31 different processes to get it perfect for you. There's a microscopic particle technology that literally the pigment itself has less than half the size of red blood cells within it.
So for all the people in the comments that you literally already wrote, they didn't put on enough layers.
See what happens if you
Well?
put another coat on it, just on one side?
This one's for y'all.
Well, now every comment's just gonna be like,
You guys didn't clean the brush. You didn't clean the surface right.
Feel free to comment whatever you like. I will personally jump on and answer your comments about the chrome board.
I found a way to be able to resell trucks.
dude, see the wheels, dude. Can you give the wheels some love?
To be honest, it looks so good. Look at this side. It's mesmerizing.
Oh my, dude. We have to do that.
No! On the wheel, it's fully... Ricky, come. Come look at this.
It is full mirror.
It didn't work so well on the board, but on the
Honestly,
wheel...
I think if you paint gloss, it will work the best.
Why didn't I bring the gloss?
Yeah.
All right, I got the ultimate test. Oh no, what the heck? Who did that?
This is how TikTok operates. You put this here, put this here, and then you put this. And then, if you look at it from this angle, look from that angle. How does the mirror know that this is here?
Because it's a. God, people are.
I have no idea.
Internet
Wait,
sucks
hold
because it
on.
just shows how stupid people are. Are you?
No.
Are you sure? Do you understand?
He was in full computer
You
mode.
got it? Can you explain it to me?
It's a reflection. It's the light.
But how can the
light.
reflection be under here?
It's the light. It's not under. It goes at an angle.
Okay, but look, this is what we gotta do now. This is real science. Is any of y'all's mirror?
Shrek.
Oh, it's making it worse.
You can't have a double chrome thing.
But that's the test, though. I mean, is this not the ultimate test?
I think you leave it negative review.
No,
I think
positive
it's
review.
time.
I think it's the best. Wow. Honestly, though, the wheel looks so good. I can see myself right now. Ricky, this is mirror. Look, I can see myself. Can you see yourself, Gabe? Don't lie. Yeah, the trucks look really good. The wheels look really good. Should we see how it kickflips? Wow.
Oh my goodness, that is bright.
We're cooking.
Yeah, cooking your eye sockets, bro.
Can you see yourself?
See, it is reflective.
I thought, well, this is good for double flips, and then I realized it's an 825 and it sucks for double flips. First try, what do you give me?
I'll give you the empty vial of paint.
Empty vial of paint on the line. Dang it. There you go.
Ugly nollie heel, but hey,
Best nollie heel I ever seen.
I'm about to learn how to weld.
Mirror dimension.
Wow, look at the mirror.
Damage report. 7 years of bad luck.
I've been waiting for this. All right, let's start off with a double front board.
Yeah. Yeah. Dang, son.
He likes the chrome.
I guess he does need to paint the board.
Look in the mirror and ask yourself why you missed that.
Why did I miss that?
Yeah.
It's still painting the mirror. You know why you didn't land it, Glow?
Why?
Because you said, let me try.
I'm not saying let me just do it.
Yeah.
Yeah. What happened there? What actually was that? Cancel flip?
How's your day going so far, Nigel?
What?
How's your day going? I'm asking you questions.
It's alright.
Hey, all right? You want me to ruin it?
Yeah, sure.
Do you think this wood was made from mere woods?
I hate you so much.
The long-lost brother of DeMontis Sabonis.
First try? Yeah.
Wow, look at that.
What is that, bro? Oh, you screw that.
Literally, screw that.
Yeah. Yeah. Watch this right here.
Wow.
Go, Jacuzzi.
Almost had it.
Next try. I guess all we need to do is just make silver boards.
Yeah.
Leave it in the comments below if you would buy a silver skateboard. Silver Surfer Edition?
Hey, Uzi. That's not a trick for mere mortals.
I don't know how you sleep at night.
Wow!
Oh!
believe you can do that like that, though. To be honest. Dang. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who's got the best nollie flips of them all? Oh! Yeah! Come on, Uzi. We got a poser out here. Let's reflect on Uzi's abilities.
I'm gonna hit a trick.
JD's gonna hit a trick.
JD, wait for the camera. You know the drill. Get out of here with that.
Oh, that doesn't count.
Yeah!
I remember when you did this trick, Aaron.
Remember that time I tried blunts faking and sprained my ankle?
No.
Me too.
If you're old enough to go to outside lands, you're old enough to blunt kickflip.
Yeah.
He did not go to outside lands.
You going this year?
I'm gonna call your mom right now.
He's going.
She's going? I'm gonna call your dad then.
He's going too.
Yeah! Mini ramp, vert ramp. My wife said, I want to see that new Magic Mike movie. And I said, nope.
You wouldn't let her watch Magic Mike?
Let her?
Yeah.
Dang, I'm starring in it. Yeah. Hi. Yeah. All right, Jay Dizzler, take it away. You sure this is safe?
Probably.
The wheels are okay?
They're okay enough. I mean.
All right, run it. I told you!
The wheels are pretty slippery.
Be safe, JD.
Really slippery.
Yeah.
What are you insinuating down here,
I
Dave?
want to tell you something, but my hands are tied.
I hate you so much.
Should we just make the JD 720 video? We hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Check out all those other ones right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, learn to ride a skateboard. We got everything you need at BrailleSkateboarding.com.